A flower looks like decoration, but it is a storefront. Petals advertise. Nectar pays the courier. Pollen must reach another flower of the same species. Sexual reproduction for a rooted plant means running a pollination business with bees, birds, wind, or luck. Flowers are not pretty for our sake. Color, scent, and shape are signals tuned to specific partners. Bee landing platforms, hummingbird tubes, moth night perfume. A blossom that attracts nobody wastes sugar. Evolution screens for ads that convert. Nectar is dilute sugar water. Energy rent paid to visitors who brush past anthers and stigma. The plant loses calories. In exchange, pollen rides out on fur, feathers, or beak. A fair trade when the courier visits the right species next. Bees are precision pollinators. Fuzzy bodies electrostatically grab pollen. Specialized mouthparts sip nectar, and flower guides point them to the cargo deck. Many crops depend on this partnership. Remove bees, and whole menus shrink. Red tubular flowers often court hummingbirds. Long bills reach nectar others cannot steal. Bats pollinate pale night blooms with strong scent and sturdy petals that survive wing beats. Each shape is a lock built for one key. Wind-pollinated plants skip the nectar bill. They produce clouds of lightweight pollen and hang catkins or tassels in the breeze. Oaks, grasses, birch. No petals needed. Success is volume and timing, not charm. Pollen must land on the sticky stigma and grow a tube down the style to the ovary. Only then can seeds form. Wrong pollen fails. Right pollen unlocks fruit. The flower's geometry positions visitors exactly where transfer matters. Not every visitor pays. Nectar robbers drill holes and sip without touching pollen. Some flowers mimic others to steal pollinators. Plants counter with deeper tubes, toxic compounds, or timing shifts, an arms race written in petals. Here is the twist. Many flowers are smarter than they look. They track visits and adjust rewards. Some change scent after pollination to close the shop. Others heat up to broadcast to beetles. A blossom is not passive decor. It runs feedback loops. Pollination shaped diversity itself. Orchids mimicking insects. Figs locking wasps inside. Yuccas that die if their moth fails. Forests run on these contracts. Loose pollinators and cascades follow. Fewer seeds, fewer fruits. Recap. Flowers advertise with color and scent. Nectar pays couriers. Bees, birds, and bats carry pollen precisely. Wind trades charm for volume. Stigmas accept the right packages. Cheaters push countermeasures. And many blooms actively manage the deal. Next on Plant Sketch, how cacti hoard water through brutal dry months. Thick stems, vanished leaves, and a photosynthesis schedule that flips day for night. Same moss-black canvas. More diagrams. Subscribe so you do not miss the mechanism.